Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use CounselLink for legal management solutions, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the CounselLink website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, you will see the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and available features. To manage legal matters, click on the Legal Matters tab. Here, you can view all ongoing and past legal matters. To start a new matter, select the New Matter button. Fill in the requested information, such as matter name and description. Choose the appropriate category for this legal matter. Assign a budget if applicable, setting expected expenses. After entering all details, click Save to create the matter. Next, navigate to the Invoicing section to manage invoices. You can upload invoices from your legal service providers here. Select the Upload Invoice option and choose the file from your device. Ensure all details are correct before submitting the invoice. To monitor payments, go to the Payments tab. Here, you can see the status of all invoices submitted. If adjustments are necessary, go back to the invoice and select Edit. In addition to matters and invoices, utilize the Reporting feature. Click on Reporting to generate analytics on legal spend and performance. Choose the type of report you need and the date range. Once your criteria are set, click Generate to create the report. You can export the report in various formats based on your needs. For collaboration, use the Collaborate feature under each matter. Invite team members or external counsel to participate in ongoing discussions. You can also add notes and comments for increased clarity. For questions or support, access the Help section. Here, you will find FAQs and contact information for customer support. To ensure security, remember to log out after your session. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.